Marijuana grow house raided by Palm Springs police. And while no one was arrested, the homeowner claims police waited too long to act. Instead, she's left behind with a badly damaged home. KMIR's Angela Monroe has more now live in Palm Springs. Angela, good evening.
Gino, the homeowner is trying to figure out how she's going to fix this home in Palm Springs. Now, officers tell me that she tipped off the tenants that they were coming, so when they arrived for the raid, they couldn't charge them with anything. Now, the homeowner would like to at least see vandalism charges, because if you take a look behind me, you can see just an example from the outside of the house. These blinds, which have been melted by grow lights from marijuana. She blames California's new pot laws on what she says is a lax approach by law enforcement. This image is a nightmare for a homeowner, a renter using a Palm Springs house for a large marijuana grow.
The government won't process any more marijuana claims because of what's happened with the new law in California.
Proposition 64 legalized marijuana for those over 21, but you can only grow 6 plants a person.
The marijuana laws over the last few years have changed significantly, so yeah, it's changing and we'll change with it.
But this appeared illegal, so the drug task force raided the home.
Is that the police were supposed to do the raid a week from last Tuesday. They told me they were going in a week from last Tuesday.
Officers say the homeowner let the tenants know that police had been called and say getting a search warrant takes time.
We have the Fourth Amendment to follow. Just because one person says there's marijuana in a home just doesn't mean that we get to bust down doors and jump in there and take plants. An investigation has to be done. We're just not going to, jump through hoops to address some drugs, depending on the circumstances.
The homeowner would like vandalism charges filed, but police aren't pursuing them.
How is it not malicious intent to take over someone's house, destroy it?
So we spoke with a private attorney in Palm Desert about vandalism and the changing landscape of prosecution.
In the case here where you've got marijuana that's been grown illegally and there's damage, the district attorney has to look at it on a case-by-case basis to determine whether it's worth the resources to pursue.
But with these hazy guidelines, the homeowner still has rights.
And the landlord has remedies such as suing for breach of contract or negligence to pursue their damages.
Prop 64 just became law, so there will no doubt be some confusion. With the recreational use of marijuana now legal for those over 21, businesses will have to get licenses, and you can only grow so many plants per house. Once again, bring up that question of homeowner and tenant rights. Live in Palm Springs, I'm Angela Monroe, KMIR News.
Angela, thank you for that, and an emotional tribute.